रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम, सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम। स्कूल 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 चले हम, स्कूल 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 चले हम।
हरे नाम में तू समा रहा, हरिदास है कहीं पीर दर, कहीं राम धुन कहीं आवन। हरिदास है कहीं पीर दर, कहीं राम धुन कहीं आवन। विधि hands down pledge.
Right hand forward and get ready for the pledge. Indians my country.
Indians my country.
And all Indians. Are my brothers. And sisters. I love my country. And I'm proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of
Throughout their life. I repeat my thought. Those who get lost on their way to school will never find their way throughout their life. Thank you and have a marvelous Monday ahead.
Today's English elocution.
Today's English elocution is "It's back to school." Hip hip hooray! It's back to school. Coming from the park, coming from the pool. Gather your pencil, your paper, your glue. There's a lot of fun and learning we are going to do. We'll be there to greet you with a smile on our face. You will see that school is a very nice place where you study from your childhood. There's a lot of fun.
Good morning, teachers. I would like to call Principal Ma'am.
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Very good morning, children. Nice to see you, children, after a long time. It is a period of 4-5 months or 1 year, 4-5 months. After so long time, you are here, children. Really, it's a matter of like pride that you are here again with God blessings. Everything is normal. But still it is coronavirus has not gone from here. We have to maintain social distancing properly, and we have done all the arrangements according to government SOP. Okay, children, all the teachers have done all the arrangements according to government SOP. In the classes also sitting arrangement, and the sanitization has been done in the classes. In the buses it has been done. Okay, and we have given yesterday one notice. I hope you have written, you would have read properly. The mask is mandatory, everyone is putting the mask. The properly, children, you have to pay attention regarding your uniform. Whenever you are coming, like I am very happy to see you, children. Your uniform is really very fine. All the students, how you are tighten your tie, it is perfect. Only like third, 1, 2, 3, fourth one, but yes, blue mask. Like you have, your it should be properly. Okay, closed. So you have to pay attention. You have to see in the mirror how you are looking. After just wearing your uniform, you have to see in mirror how you are looking. Your personality should be very fine. Okay, we cannot compromise in your uniform from the very first day. Okay, children, we are very happy to see you. We are having a love, affection for our children, but this is a matter of our discipline. We cannot compromise at all. Okay, children, so you have to take care of uniform. Shoes must be polished and it should be very shining. Okay, every day. And all the girls, you have to make 2 polish. Okay, 2 plates you have to make every day, and nails should be very short. And these are the small points we will give to the teachers, and they will give you, and you will put in your diary. Okay, so that you may remember what things are required for me. Okay, and this is regarding the uniform. And moreover, you have to be very punctual. You have to come timely. Whenever you are coming, if you are coming little early, then also you have to maintain social distancing. Okay, children. And after that, and after a long time you are coming, then you have. You would have brought your notebooks. Yesterday I have given the notice. You have to bring your copies, notebooks. Na? If you have brought, then you have to give to your teachers, and they will see, they will check it. Okay, children? Because in November month there will be half-yearly examination, and from CBSE side, and it will be just both pattern, maybe according to the situation. As situation will be there, if it will be normal, then second term examination will be there, and the weightage of first term examination will be, if it will be online, the weightage of that will be 40%, and the weightage of second term is that which will be offline, that will be 60%. So the government is ready. Okay, the government will adopt according to the situation. Whatever the situation will be there, accordingly government will adopt the pattern. Okay. And moreover, children, so we are eager to teach you in a proper manner, so that whenever half-yearly examination will be here, okay, online examination will be there, yeah, offline will be there, OMR sheet will be provided, children. And the two observers will be here, and they will observe how the students are just marking. So they are diagonal the circle. You have to draw the circle just like in the examination, bank and all examination pattern. So children, after your submission of the OMR sheet, तुरंत ही उसकी स्कैन होगी, ठीक है, and we have to send to CBSE. Okay, so there will be 0% chances to see here and there to ask to anyone. Okay, you don't think all the teachers will be your school. Maybe the teachers will be also of other school. Okay, children, so you have to get ready accordingly. Okay, according to the situation. So that's why it is very necessary that whenever you are coming to the classes, and you have to be very concentrated towards your studies. Whatever you are studying, you have studied, the teachers have taught that also. If you are having any query, then you can ask. Okay, children, and you have to get ready for your half-yearly examination. You have to think that I have to obtain 100 upon 100 marks. Okay, children, because you have to darken the circle, but it is possible if you will concentrate. It is a matter of understanding. So you have to do the deep studies. Okay, children, and moreover, children, after that, the practicals are also having the weightage of 30. 30 marks now, so 15 marks will be given here for the half yearly. So you have to do the practicals also, you have to submit practical files also, and in 9th and 10th students portfolio is required and projects are required. So subject enrichment activities teachers will do in all the subject. Okay children, so you have to take care, you have to submit timely. Okay, all the portfolios of subject wise, you have to maintain one file. In that portfolio you have to submit one project of all subjects. So you have to get ready, because documentation is required for getting the marks. Okay, because in that time, so in internal assessment also, when the teachers will give the marks, so the teachers will have to give the marks according to your projects, according to your subject enrichment activities, according to your practicals, according to your speaking and listening, because this is the part of English. It has the weightage of 20 marks. Okay, in maths also 20 marks are there. Maths lab, you have to go in maths lab and you have to submit the projects, and you have to make art integrated projects also. So these are the things which make you smart. So you should not ignore these activities. These are really very important for your personality grooming, for your upgradation also. Okay children, so this is for half yearly examination pattern, and I have told you have to maintain social distancing. Okay, and after 12 there will be off time. Okay, in the buses also, in the off time also, outside also you have to maintain social distancing, and you have to, because health is wealth children. Okay, if you are healthy, if you are in good health, then only it is possible to follow all the instructions. So you have to take care of your health, and you have to, because education is never ending process. We cannot stop education. Okay, if education will stop, then what will happen? So we cannot compromise. But first of all, priority level, on priority level you have to take care of your health, then education is required. Okay, so you have to manage, you have to balance in both the things. Okay children, and best of luck from my side children. I hope, I pray to God, and directors ma'am and managers sir, they are also doing regular prayers for the children. When the students will come, it should be, everything should be very fine for the teachers and for everyone. They are regularly doing prayer, and we are also making lots of prayer for you children. Okay, again we are praying to God to maintain everything in like you have to keep safe side, okay, from corona and everything, and you have to remove your negative thinking children, because डर के आगे जीत है. Okay, so we have to remove this thought कि corona is there, corona, but we have to maintain social distancing, and we have to take care of. Okay, we have to take precautions. Thank you children, best of luck, and welcome back again. For today is the first day. Okay, thank you, and one by one you have to move in your classes, and teachers have to take care. Okay? Thank you children, thank you.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंग, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे।